Welcome to Sarv Vigyan YouTube.
The future of artificial intelligence, how AI is changing the world. Welcome to the future of technology. A world where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live and work. From healthcare to transportation, AI is making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. But what exactly is AI and how is it changing the world? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, are making our roads safer and more efficient. With the help of sensors and advanced algorithms, these cars can navigate and avoid obstacles, all while keeping passengers comfortable and safe. AI is also being used in manufacturing and industry to automate repetitive tasks and improve productivity. Robots powered by AI can work alongside humans, making factories more efficient and reducing the need for manual labor. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images and assist doctors with diagnostics. It can also help with drug discovery and personalized medicine, tailoring treatment plans to individual patients. But as AI continues to advance, it's important to consider the ethical and societal implications. We must ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible way that benefits all of humanity. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's use it for good.